Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by gathering the minimal essentials: account access, a clear 30-day time frame, and 2 3-seed keywords. Once logged into Zik Analytics, choose the product research module and set marketplaces to the ones you sell in. Next, input competitor store URLs or ASIN-like identifiers to pull real-world listings. This first step primes the algorithm. It limits noise and surfaces meaningful trends, so make sure to use focused keywords and at least 2 competitors to compare demand and pricing patterns. Now you dive into the data to validate product potential. Apply filters, sales volume, sell-through rate, and a realistic price range to remove outliers. Once filtered, review average daily sales and the built-in ROI estimator to judge margin potential. Pay attention to listing age and velocity. New hot products behave differently than evergreen ones. Then inspect the top 10 listings for titles, images, shipping, and return policies. These give you tactical ideas to beat competitors on conversion. Finish by validating sourcing and launch plans. Use Zik supplier checks or your sourcing contacts to confirm MOQ, lead times, and landed unit costs so the ROI holds. Once you have acceptable numbers, validate demand with a small test order or a short PPC burst to confirm conversion. If results deviate from expectations, troubleshoot. Clear browser cache, rerun filters, or expand the time frame to 60-90 days. These steps ensure you close the loop between analytics and actual profitability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.